True beauty comes from within. It glows out of pure love, from genuine happiness, from confidence. And for these beautiful women, their glowing confidence comes from having flawless skin under the caring hands of Miss O.
With Miss O, from head to toe, gandang totoo!
Olivia Quito Co, or more commonly known as Miss O, was hailed as the fairy godmother of skincare by women across the universe when her beauty line, the Olivia Quito Skincare, emerged as the official skincare brand of the Miss Universe pageant in 2019. O Skincare became the official skincare partner for Miss USA and Miss Teen USA. To this day, the spa stands as one of the premier spa destinations in Los Angeles, California, and the medical spa of choice among Filipino beauty queens and celebrities. When Miss O released an assembly of 24-karat gold infused products called the Secret Collection, her skincare brand instantly caught the attention of the Hollywood market. Soon after, the Secret Collection became one of the most raved about skin products among Hollywood celebrities, landing Miss O her first invite to the 77th Golden Globe Awards. She was later approached by the Academy Awards Committee to be the official spa partner to perform facials for exclusive guests and honorees of the night. The ongoing demand for Olivia Quito skincare products created more jobs and distribution deals all over the world. This includes the recent partnership with Cambodia superstar Ampor Terry as its newest brand ambassador and official distributor. The Cosmos Spa in Nepal, along with its 7 branches, are also among the line's newest distributor. In lieu of that, she now hosts the Miss O Show, a weekly live stream talk show on Facebook, and has followers and viewers in and out of the country. The beautiful journey of Miss Olivia Quito Co is the quintessential story of a passionate Filipina making her countrymen proud, but more so, a woman who dreamed, believed, and lived by faith in God. Beauty comes in different forms. But as with all things beautiful, she needs to be nurtured for her to glow. She needs confidence for her true beauty to show. And that's the promise of O Skincare. True Beauty by Miss Olivia Quito Co.
Hello everyone, this is Miss O of O Skin Med Spa, and today we are launching our newest, most awaited product called Secret Pearl. This product contains glutathione, which is responsible to give you a nice glowing and whitening of the skin, and also vitamin C for antioxidant, alpha-lipoic acid, which is responsible for elasticity of the skin, and also this will prevent you from having brown spots on your skin. This product also has intense whitening, so when you apply it on the face, it has lightening, brightening, and also an anti-aging effect. So when you apply it on the eye area, it will help diminish all the fine lines, the wrinkles on the forehead, and also sa nasolabial fold. Napakaganda ng product na to because it took me almost 1 year to perfect this formula. When you apply it on the face, you can actually layer it kung how much lightening you want. This product is also an intense whitening. So actually, you can layer it para kung gaano ka-lighter yung gusto. When you apply 1 layer, magiging dewy yung skin. Pag nag-apply kayo ng 2 layers, magiging 1 shade lighter kayo. So when you apply 3 layers, paadagdag ng padagdag yung pagka-brighter ng skin niyo. So it's up to you on how many layers you want to put it on your skin. But for me, I apply about 3 layers. I actually have it right now. And actually, it's one of my favorite products because you see result right away. So now, I will show you how you will apply the milk brightening bar properly. So, ito na yung gagamitin natin. So, ito na. Panoorin na natin. So, this is our beautiful Gracie, no? This is her arm. Ito yung arm niya. So, I will show you her before, no? And then later on, papakita naman natin sa inyo with the use of brightening bar, ano na yung mangyayari. So, mga VIPs, ganito maghugas ha, ng milk brightening bar. Basain lang natin siya ng konti, okay? Basain natin siya konti, tapos i-open na natin yung milk brightening bar. This is how it looks. Nagamit na namin to for a demo in one of Jen's live. So right now, I will do a demo naman sa atin. So ngayon, papakita natin, yan. Okay, papakita natin, this is how, paano mo siya sabunin. Wait So kuskus natin siya maigi, no? Ito yung tinatawag na palabasin mo talaga lahat ng whitening juices. So we have kojic acid here, we have papaya extra, meron tayong bamboo stem, meron din tayong mga pampaputi na arbutin. Imagine mo meron pa tayong licorice extra. So all these beautiful ingredients, ito yung pinag-uusapan ko na 10-in-1, no? So ito, parang gagamitin mo na to na panghilod. Hilurin mo talaga maigi yung siko mo. So para lang, make sure na matanggal mo talaga lahat ng dead skin, mga dead skin mo. So now, you only use this 2 to 3 times a week. Kumbaga, itong soap na to, panghilod na to, no? So, 2 to 3 times a week. And then, pag nilagay mo na lahat ng whitening juices, so pag sensitive skin, mga 5 seconds lang, pakibanlawan na. So here, you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So ngayon, ganyan natin siya sabunin, no? Paputiin. And now, this is the chance na pwede na natin siya mabanlaw. So pag binanlaw natin siya, banlawan na natin ng ganito. And then you have all the whitening juices na nasa sa skin mo. Kaya lahat yan, imaginein mo pag papaya soap lang, binibili mo na. What more, kung 10-in-1 pa to, may papaya, may kojic, licorice extract, yung mga yan, very powerful yan. Tingnan mo yung tubig, di ba? Tingnan mo, nagiging blurry na yung tubig kasi parang nalibagan ka na talaga. So, yan, nalibagan, natanggal na. Kumbaga, ginawa na natin panghilod yung ating sabon, no? Because there's a lot of beads in the soap. So, kaya very powerful yan. Sorry, pinaliguan na ba? Pinaliguan ko na. Nabasa na kami. Ayan. Ayan. Okay. So, exciting. Now, wait lang I will show you the before and after. Nasaan na ating body BB glow? Ayan. So, sorry. Okay. So, now, makita na natin yung before and after. Ayan, no? Look at the difference, diba? Tingnan mo ito yung area na sinabunan natin. Ito yung area na hindi pa natin nasasabunan. Look at the difference between the color, no? Tingnan mo dito. Super maputi. Tapos ito naman, andiyan pa din yung old color niya. So now, when you use the milk brightening bar, in just one use, you will actually see results. But then that's how you properly use your milk brightening bar or your MBB, yung MBB soap mo na milk brightening bar. The way to do that, nako dear, 10 seconds mo, babanlawan. Don't forget kita mo yan, ang ganda-ganda. Saan tayo makakakita ng sabon? Ng isang sabunan lang, pumuputi ka na. Kaya very, very effective. That's why we sold out very easily dahil naubos na yung ating yung aming stock, yung inventaryo. Kasi, alam mo ba, MJ, nung bumili yung client ko ng isa, pagtapos niya bumili ng isa, tapos, tumawag, nasubukan, no? Pagtapos, bumili na naman ng 10. Tingnan mo yung difference, This is the one na hindi pa na sabon. Look at the color. Wow. At saka ito, ang laki ng difference. VIPs, masasabi nyo, nakita nyo ba yung difference? Tingnan mo yung color dito, no? At saka yung sa color dito, magkaiba na. Ibang-iba na yung dito niya at saka dito. In just one application or one use. Imagine mo kung more than one mo pa yan gagamitin, pa-bright ng pa-bright. Don't forget, guys, 2 to 3 times a week lang, wag araw-araw. So ngayon, gamitin na natin ang pagkakataon na gamitin natin ang Body BB Glow para lang, thank you Faith. So para lang, we show all the clients on how to use our Body BB Glow. So ito na, tingnan mo, sige, baba mo yung, tingnan mo yung diferensya, layo. Diba?
Oo nga.
So now, ito, ilalagay na natin yung Body BB Glow sa arms niya. Grabe, no? So ito na, lalagyan na natin ng Body BB Glow. I'll put to the test, diba? Kanina, pinut to the test natin ang ating Milk Brightening Bar at very, very effective. Now naman, itest naman natin yung kagandahan ng Body BB Glow. Papakita ko sa inyo kung bakit siya maganda, ha? Ano sabi ng ating mga VIP? Pwede raw ba yan sa face? Siguro mga once a week, papayagan ko kayo, pero nothing more than that, no? So now, ito yung paglagay ng Body BB Glow, no? Ganyan, no? So, lalagay nyo sa palm of your hand. Ganyan lang muna siya kakonti. Tapos, the way na mag-apply dito, ganyan, no? Dot. Gandun, di ba? So, ganun natin siya ilalagay. So, the way mo yan siya i-apply, this has SPF 15, no? SPF 15. Ang kagandahan pa dito is, ang SPF 15 natin, meron rin siyang skin brightening. Pumuputi ka din dito. Imagine mo yung Milk Brightening Bar. So, ilalagay mo yan sa siko mo. Paki-make sure, paki-kuskus mabuti. Kung meron ka mga sugat, may peklat, may insect bite, may mga pula-pula sa katawan, pwedeng-pwede natin yan. Alam mo yon, matanggal because meron niyang bamboo stem na antimicrobial and also antibacterial. So ito, kung gusto mo i-layer yung Body BB Glow, pwede mo i-layer up to 2, no? Pero the way mo i-apply, make sure din siya na ganyan mo siya i-apply, ha? Yung parang minamasahe mo yung katawan mo. Ayan, okay. So ngayon, ready na ba kayo mga VIPs? I-compare na natin ang difference between this at saka yung isang part natin ng arms ni Gracie, no? So, pakita na natin. Ready na ba kayo? Ang ganda! Ano masasabi niya mga VIP? Pasado ba to?
Grabe.
Exciting ba? Grabe ba? Okay, ito na. Wala pa yan. May papakita pa ako sa inyo. Tingnan mo yung difference, no? Ng Milk Bar. Pagtapos natin ilagay ito, look at the texture of the skin. Mas glowing, makintab siya, tapos pantay yung kulay, even meron siya, nakikita mo when the light hits the skin, nagkakaroon ng konting kintab. Tingnan mo to, walang kintab, oh. Pero ito, tingnan mo yung difference, no? Mas may shine. Nagkakaroon na yung shine yung balat niya. Look at the difference in just one treatment. Right before your eyes. Nakita mo kung paano nag-change yung skin ni Gracie from this. Oh my God! To this. Ayan, di ba? Grabe yung difference, di ba? This is Miss O of O Skin Med Spa at ngayon pag-uusapan natin ang latest at hottest product namin dito sa O Skincare, which is yung 24 karat Secret Gold. Ito pong product na to ay sobrang ganda because it has a gold tightening effect. Ang effect naman nito ay pag nilagay sa face, magta-tighten yung balat, the next day magiging sobrang glowing ang skin. So how to use it is we use 5 pumps sa face natin. So pag pinump natin siya, may lalabas na white cream. So when you apply it sa skin, white siya. Pero dahan-dahan siya magiging gold. So pag naging gold na, pwede na tayo mag-stop ng pag-rub and then this means activated na yung gold sa skin ninyo. Directions on how to use the 24 karat gold. So you can use it 2 to 3 times a week. So pwede nyo gamitin ng Monday, Thursday, and Saturday night. 5 pumps po. Sa mukha lang yon. If you want to add more para sa neck, you add 2 more pumps. So sa mga kaibigan natin na gumagamit din ng Secret Glow, ang tanong sa akin palagi is, Miss O, paano na kung gumagamit din ako ng Secret Glow? So, for example, this week, gagamit lang kayo ng 24 karat gold. So, Monday, Thursday, and Saturday night, nagpapatighten lang kayo ng mukha at saka nagpapaglow. The following week naman, you can use Secret Glow Monday and Thursday night. Ang ginagawa naman nun is whitening and moisturizing. So, usually ang mga tinatanong sa akin, Miss O, pwede bang pumili isa na lang o glow na lang or wag na ako mag 24 karat gold? Actually, both of them is what I call the secret line. They complement each each other. So, nagtatighten ng balat nyo at the same time, with the Secret Glow, pumuputi din yung face niyo. Ang ingredients na maganda dito sa 24 karat gold, it has glycosphere. This is the ingredient that helps penetrate the product deeply to our skin. Ang kagandahan nun, it's a good delivery system. Minsan kasi pag maganda ang product nyo, pero walang magandang delivery system, hindi rin siya magpe-penetrate dun sa loob ng skin. Kasama ko ngayon ang client and friend ko na si Ivy, and then she will tell you sa mga viewers kung ano yung na-experience mo sa amin.
Okay, before po, nag-start lang po ako August 21st, so this recently past few months lang. And then, dati po, ito yung skin ko, napakadumi, napakadaming dark spots, napakadaming freckles, sobrang uneven yung skin tone. Pero, gumamit po ako ng O-Skin products, pero most na nagustuhan ko po yung 24 karat gold. Ito po, de-demonstrate ko po ngayon. Ngayon po, wala akong kahit na anong makeup, naghilamos lang po ako. Pero the next day, nung bumangon ako from bed po, tinignan ko, una kong ginagawa, tinitingnan ko yung face ko sa mirror. Nung pagtingin ko po, sobrang puti, sobrang kinis. Tapos parang yung mga pores mo lumiit kasi nag-tighten po sa cheeks na mararamdaman mong hinihilang ganon. Tapos mas maganda pa siya nung hinilamusan ko. So nung naghilamos po ako, yun po yung time na naghilamos, nag-milk wash, and then sunblock lang. Nag-church po kami noon. Sabi ng mga tao, naka-foundation ka ba? Sabi ko, wala po kahit ano. Naka-blush on kahit wala rin po. Anong ginamit mo? Sabi ko, 24 karat gold lang po.
Yes. Ang maganda sa 24 karat, pag gising mo sa umaga, medyo may tint pa yun ng gold eh. Pero once na hinugasan nyo, grabe, sobrang ganda. Ako in love na in love. It's a time-release product. Maganda siya sa umaga, mas maganda sa hapon. Paganda siya ng paganda hanggang gabi. So, makikita niyo yun pag nasubukan nyo. No, Ivy? Okay. So, ngayon, ide-demo na niya kung paano gagamitin ang 24 karat. This also has vitamin A, vitamin C, and vitamin E. Multivitamins din tong 24 karat gold. And also, may lactic acid, nakakaputi. Arbutin, nakaka-whiten ng skin, nakaka-glow. So, siksik din to sa magagandang ingredients. And what's good about this is, it's non-comedogenic. Hindi magka-clog yung pores niyo. So, sa mga friends natin na gumagamit ng O-Skincare products, if you have clogs or pimples, this is perfect for you. May ingredient dito, tawag Alp Rose na galing sa Switzerland. Ang kagandahan nito, it also helps para sa wrinkles natin sa crow's feet. So, studies show on this picture, within 16 days, ang wrinkles and crow's feet nagsusoften talaga. And when you keep on using the products, it's gonna help you tighten your skin, yung crow's feet, bababaw, and also nababanat yung face. Pag ginamit nyo sa leeg nyo, nababanat din yung leeg nito. So, pag ginamit mo to ng 1 month, you will be amazed on how your skin will look. Ang main ingredient sa product na to ay merong 24 karat gold, which is, ang ginagawa nito, it helps tighten, it helps for premature aging, and it will also help para mabahanat din yung face nyo. So, yan ang pinaka-main ingredient sa product natin. And also, meron tong Hento White. Galing po sa Spain ang ingredient. Ang ginagawa, this reduces the dark spots. So, this picture, you will see within 3 days, yung melanin production, sobrang naglalighten talaga yung mga brown spots. Clinical study shows na this will really help para sa mga taong namumblema sa melasma, pigmentation, acne marks. Ito po yung tamang solusyon para sa inyo. There's also an anti-allergy ingredient inside the product. So, napakaganda nitong product nito. Siksik, lig-lig, kung tinatawag nila, na punong-puno ng magagandang ingredient. That's why this is also a product, when you apply it overnight, you will see immediate results right away. Sobrang glowing ng skin ninyo. So, I'm in love with this product. Hope you will like it too. Hi guys, this is Miss O, and today is another Friday Night Live with me. I'm Miss O, and I am going to talk about brown spots. Paano ba yan nawawala? And is there any cure for brown spots? Is there any way to prevent having the discoloration? And now, I'll be discussing about discoloration. Paano ba yun mawawala? Is there any way that yung discoloration hindi na babalik forever? Pwede ba yun? So, okay, so now, may tinatawag na brown spots or discoloration. I'm gonna show you a couple of samples. Nandito sa aking screen. Hold on, let me see. Alright, there you go. Okay, so this kind of discoloration is called melasma or, you know, sun damage. Usually, pagka ganito ang melasma, you get this from the sun, nababad sa araw, nagpunta sa Boracay. This is what we call the melasma na pwedeng matanggal. So, melasma is a skin condition. Sometimes it's brown, sometimes it's blue-gray, sometimes it's like freckle-like spots, diba? Nawawala ba talaga to? Tawag din dito is pregnancy mask, okay? So, bakit ganito? Bakit merong tinatawag na melasma? Because it's the overproduction of your melanin inside your skin. So, ibig sabihin, first layer, second layer, third layer. Yung first layer na nakikita nyo, hindi pa yun. Mas grabe pa yung nasa ilalim. So, when you see somebody who has melasma on the skin, but when I do x-ray sa spa, mamaya papakita ko sa inyo. So, now, the discoloration that I'm talking about is yung melasma. So, pag sun damage lang yon, nagpa-araw ka, nagpunta ka sa Boracay, nainitan ka, it's going to go away. That's the good news. This one is sun damage. Naiwan to sa Boracay. Nagbabad siya sa Boracay. So, most of the time, the clients are saying, Miss O, may pag-asa pa ba to? Parang sobrang manchado na yung face ko. So now, with the help, you know, when do you normally see results? You normally see results in about less than 2 weeks or less. You will see na, I would say 40 to 50% of your melasma will go away and it will look like this, diba? Medyo mapula-pula lang yung skin, pero better than what, you know, what she had before. Look at the before and then look at the after photo. Diba? Grabe. Ang ganda ng result and it's even gonna get better pag tuloy-tuloy natin siya ginagamit. Usually kasi pag nababad ka talaga sa araw, 8 minutes lang, iitim na talaga yung discoloration. So what I want everyone to do is to apply sunblock even though you're inside the house because yung mga lights, TV, yung mga ganyan, nagkukos yan ng discoloration. So, I don't want you guys to have that kind of problem. Diba? Minsan sabi nga nila, prevention is better than cure. So, I'm gonna show and pull up the picture here. So, okay, this is the picture and then this is the after. Okay, I'm gonna show you again another photo. So, this is my client, si Laura. She agreed to show her picture and then this discoloration that she had. Imagine mo, tingnan mo dito yung sa forehead niya. Tingnan mo yung sa cheek area niya. Diba feeling mo na parang, wow, it's not gonna go away. It's been there for many, many years. So I found the solution. I found, you know, I was able to make a formula. 14 months ginawa yung formula na yan with my team. And then, you wanna see the after result? Tingnan natin na. Gusto nyo ba makita? Ayan. Ganda, diba? You see the skin here, nagsha-shine. When the light hits the face, nagsha-shine ito. Ibig sabihin, the dead skin is already gone. So now what we can do is, pag kompleto ang regimen mo, kaya natin pakintabin yan with the Secret Pearl, with the Secret Gold. Kikintab yung skin. So when the light hits it, you're gonna have like a healthy shine sa face ninyo, diba? So I'm gonna show you another picture. Tapos niyan, she used my products, and then it became like, ayan, ganyan kakinis. This is what I call the O-glow. I think O-glow is the one when the light hits it or the camera hits it, you can see the shine on their skin, diba? Makikita mo yung shine dito because healthy na yung balat, no? So now, what we can do is, if your client is like this, she's suffering from discoloration, she allowed me to show her picture as well, and this one will be the after photo. Ayan, diba? Ito yung O-glow na sinasabi. Nagsishine yung skin. Yan ang O-glow. But, you have to have the complete regimen. Hindi natin yan ma-achieve by just doing like, yung parang cleanser, toner, sunblock. We cannot achieve with that kind of glow kasi kulang yung regimen. So, very important pag kompleto. So, here is Rowena Bognosin. Imagine after 16 days, naging ganyan yung skin niya. So, now,
after like the walang discoloration, diba? 16 days, sabi niya Miss O, at saka kay, sa kanyang distributor, sabi, Miss, wow, grabe, ang ganda na ng skin. But then, look after 48 days, it's even better than the 16 days. Diba? Tingnan mo, before, ayan, 16 days, and then 14 days later, she doesn't have any makeup. She only has lipstick on. And you can see the O glow. The O glow is when the sun hits, I mean, when the light hits you, when the camera hits you, then your skin is shine. Parang nagsishine, nag-glow siya. Okay.
Question of the day, should I use sunscreen even though I'm staying indoors? The quick answer is yes. And that is because the exposure to the UV light such as the indoor lighting coming from the window glass, fluorescent bulbs, halogen lamps, tablets, computer screens can still cause skin damage. And also, you want to make sure that you're using a sunscreen that has a minimum of SPF 50. Some of you may not like the sticky or oily feel after applying sunblock, so I recommend that you try the broad spectrum with SPF 50. It is hydrating and it dries to a soft matte finish like wearing a light face powder.
Tonight is a very special night because we are launching ang ating newest product, and I know na marami sa inyo ang naghihintay na sa moment na to. Pag-usapan na natin ang ating newest product. So, i-reveal na natin kung ano yan. Ano ba yung newest product natin ngayon? So, let's check and see. Okay, so, ang ating newest product ay ang beauty oil. So, we're going to talk about this. And then, what's the benefit? Pwede ba ito sa acne patient? Is this, ano yung mga ingredients na kasama? So, the beauty oil contains, ito yung mga ingredients na nandiyan. So, this is our beauty oil. Tingnan natin, baka masyadong maliwanag. Ayan. This is our newest product. It's called beauty oil. Napakaganda na lalagyanan. Very similar to our vitamin C, but the vitamin C is in gold. This is like in a blush color. So, medyo maliwanag lang, nagre-reflect ang ating beauty light. So, the beauty oil, I will talk about the Bakuchill oil. Ano ba yung ingredient ito? Ang sabi nila na ang retinol daw ang the highest anti-aging ingredient in the market in the skincare industry. So, but then, study shows and researcher shows that itong Bakuchill oil is 10 times better than retinol. Can you imagine that? So, if you have retinol at home, so sa tingin mo na yan ang pinakamagandang anti-aging ingredient in the market, but then, definitely studies show, even the British Journal of Dermatology, pinag-uusapan din ang kagandahan ng ingredient ng Bakuchill oil. When we compare the Bakuchill oil and the retinol, makikita mo mas maraming yeses compare sa retinol. So, unang-una dyan, ini-improve niya yung firmness ng skin mo. If you are the kind of client na mumblema na Miss O, nagsasag na yung skin ko, ito ang benefit ng Bakuchill, pareho. Bakuchill and the retinol, both of them is, it can improve the skin firmness, yun yung naglalawlaw na skin. Pareho sila, kaya nila gawin. So, but then, yung benefit din ng dalawa can even out your skin tone. So, if you have discoloration sa face, pwede din yan. If you have retinol at home, if you have Bakuchill at home, napakaganda niyan dalawa kasi parehong kaya niya is firm yung tone. But then, and also, it also reduces the fine lines and your wrinkles ninyo, di ba? And another thing, ang difference lang ng retinol sa Bakuchill oil is, yung Bakuchill oil, na kayang-kaya niya ng pwede yan sa pregnancy, sa mga taong nagbe-breastfeed, di ba? Pag nagbe-breastfeed ka na, minsan ayaw mo na mag-retinol. But then, with this ingredient, pwedeng-pwede kahit na sensitive ang skin mo. Balik tayo sa face ko kasi hindi nila yan mababasa. Ayan! Alright, so ngayon, ang kagandahan ng Bakuchill oil, yun, nakakababaw ng inflammation. So, ibig sabihin nun, if you're an acne-prone skin, this product is also good for you because if you have like acne, di ba, laging may inflammation, may mga pula-pula. Pero, pag nag-Bakuchill oil ka, kaya niya ibaba yung inflammatory, yung evidence of anti-inflammation sa face mo, kaya-kaya niya ipababa. Another thing, Bakuchill oil also unclog your pores. So, if you have a lot of clogged pores, studies show and and researchers say that yung oil glands mo, kayang-kaya din niya yung pababawin or pakontiin yung paglabas ng oil sa face mo. Imagine mo yan, nasa Bakuchill pa lang tayo, meron pang 4 other ingredients na napakaganda doon sa laman ng beauty oil natin. It's super anti-aging. Kung meron tayong pag-uusapan na anti-aging product, ito na yung pinaka magandang anti-aging that will improve the firmness of your skin. Another thing about Bakuchill oil, ito sa mga taong mahilig sa all natural, all plant-based, herbal-based, ito na ang product para sa inyo because Bakuchill oil is ito yung tinatawag nilang Eastern medicine nung unang panahon, yung ginagamit nila na herbal medicine. It brightens your skin tone and then it sorts out uneven skin tone. So if you know, studies show, marami mga dermatologists and plastic surgeon ang nag-research about this and mga clinical studies, they talk about Bakuchill oil that can take care of both yung sinasabi nilang acne and also yung sa brown spots. So ito yung double, alam mo yung double benefit sa face mo. Kaya din ito mag-minimize ng pores and then it will also reduce your fine lines and wrinkles. Imagine, napakadaming benefit. So studies also show na ang Bakuchill oil na nilagay natin dito is good for photosensitive, para sa mga taong may photosensitivity. Ibig sabihin ng photosensitivity, yung madaling mamula o kaya alam mo yung kunwari spray ka ng pabango dito, minsan na-irritate na kaagad because yung skin mo may photosensitivity dun sa perfume. So with this product, this is hindi siya photosensitive sa any other ingredients. And another thing, ito din is ang tawag dito is photostable. Ang ibig sabihin ng photostable is it does not break on UV rays. Ibig sabihin nun, pagka nilagay mo sa araw, pag naarawan ka, hindi magbe-break yung ingredients na Bakuchill oil because this is photostable. Ibig sabihin ng photostable, intact ang ingredient. I have beauty oil on my face right now. I put my regimen today, cleansing milk, naglagay ako ng toner, naglagay ako ng vitamin C. Tapos, sobrang daming beauty oil. Nilagyan ko ng punong-punong beauty oil, tapos kumintab masyado yung face ko. And ito yung sample ng beauty oil. So when we apply this on your skin, dito, okay, lagay natin. And then, you will see, magsha-shine yung skin mo. Compare, diba? Compare natin yung difference, magsha-shine. This has beauty oil, ito walang beauty oil. So long-term effect this is a super anti-aging ingredient na nasa market. So, nandito na. Beauty oil. Make sure na meron kayo nito na napakaganda nito. It will give you a Korean look. Yung pagka nag-makeup ka, ang ganda, lapat na lapat sa makeup. Pinag-aralan ko. It took me like months of study to make sure na siyempre mahilig ako mag-makeup or kung mga hindi naman mahilig mag-makeup, gusto mo lapat na lapat sa skin, tapos pag nailawan ka with camera, ikaw na pinaka-glowing sa lahat ng mga friends mo pag nagtabi-tabi kayo. And then this, I have beauty oil on my face. Ayan, Bakuchill pa lang tayo. So let's move on to Marula oil. Tingnan natin, ano ba yung Marula oil? Tsaka bakit ba ito kailangan sa face natin? Okay, pakita natin siya, Marula oil. This is the second ingredient in our beauty oil. So let's talk about Marula oil. What's the benefit of that? Diba minsan may ka sa bote na Marula oil by itself. This is the most effective moisturizer for dry or aging skin. So ang Marula oil, napakaganda yan for effective moisturizer pag super dry ang face ninyo, pero for oily skin, this is also it will give you a nice dewy look. Alright, so it also smoothen fine lines and wrinkles. So yung Marula oil, yan din ang ginagawa. Imagine mo, si Bakuchill, samahan pa natin ng Marula. Next natin, ano pang benefit? Ayan, this is non-greasy and also treats acne. So Marula oil, hindi malagkit, hindi siya greasy, and also it also helps para sa acne. So dalawa sila. Ayan na. Ang third ingredient natin ay ang rosehip oil. So ito na yung rosehip oil. The ingredient na next ingredient natin ay tumutulong din pag-boost ng collagen. So we're talking about the rosehip oil naman ngayon. So when you see minsan sa mga bote nakasulat rosehip oil for the skin, so ito yung ginagawa niyan, binuboost niya yung collagen and it also reduces the inflammation. Imagine mo meron ka ng marula oil, meron ka ng bakuchill oil, meron ka pang rosehip oil. So those three, ito, another benefit of the rosehip oil is it protects your skin from sun damage. So if you're going to the sun, if you're going to the beach, dapat meron tayong proper protection aside from SPF. So this one, the rosehip oil does prevent you para sa sun damage pag nagpupunta tayo sa beach or for everyday thing, diba? So it also reduces the hyperpigmentation. Imagine mo yan and also it boosts the cell immunity. Napakaganda ng ingredient na nasa rosehip oil. Ang 4 na ingredients na to ay non-comedogenic. It's not going to clog your pores, but it will help you have dewy Korean skin. Herbal postbiotics. This will be the last ingredient na nasa beauty oil. Check natin ano bang ginagawa ng postbiotics. So kala natin sa tiyan lang yan di ba? Pwede pala sa face. So this one gives you balance and younger looking skin. Okay? So yan ang ginagawa ng postbiotics. Let's move on to the next one. Boost immunity and strength to fight infection. Kasi ang postbiotics, meron tinatawag na antibacterial. Yan yung sinasabi na ang daming tigyawat, ang daming bacteria, ang daming yung pathogenic bacteria sa face natin. Yun ang tinatawag natin na anti-inflammatory kasi kayang-kaya nito mag-fight ng any infection na nasa face mo, including acne. Okay, let's move on to the next one. All right, so now, it also restores your healthy microbiome balance. So ito yung tinatawag natin na make sure na balance lahat sa face mo na yung pH natin, and also the beauty oil will give you a nice dewy look. Yun yung pinaka-importante dun yung mga client na nagsasabi na, Miss O, gusto ko talaga glowing paano. Hindi lang basta oil na nilagay ko. Hinanap ko talaga yung best of the best oil, and also what I was talking about, yung bakuchill oil na nilagay ko dito sa ating beauty oil, galing pa yan sa India. Kasi doon ang best bakuchill oil. Hindi lang pwede bakuchill ang ilagay. Kailangan meron din rosehip, kailangan din may prebiotic, kailangan meron din yan marula oil. Kasi lahat yan super beneficial sa iyo. So I'm very excited.
This is Olivia Kido, Miss O of O Skin Med Spa, and today I'm going to teach you how to have the O Glow regimen. And this is what I use in the morning. So step 1 is I use the cleansing milk. This is my favorite kasi this has lilac stem cell. What it does, it gives you a nice glow on your face. Ang lilac stem cell, it has a nice luminosity na ibibigay sa face ninyo. And what's good about this, it also removes the makeup on your face. And then, step 2 is the toner. What people don't know about toner is it brings back the natural pH of your skin. Kasi pag nagsabon kayo ng face, nawawala sa pH ang skin ninyo. And then, with the toner, it brings back to its natural pH, which is 5.5. With this, the toner, what you will do is you will apply the toner with the cotton pads, and then you will gently apply it upwards. What I will teach you is to make sure that the muscles and fibers are naka-attach yan pataas. So we don't want to make the skin, yung skin natin maging droopy. With that, ang pag-apply is upwards. Okay? Sa neck is upwards too. And also, pag may excess pa, this is another secret. You can apply it at the back of your hand para hindi siya masayang. Okay? Ang third step is the vitamin C. This is one of also my favorite. What I like about the vitamin C, it will give you a dewy look. Yung bang shiny pag naka-makeup, so ito yung sikreto. If your face is matte finish, may kulang na regimen. It has the hyaluronic acid, which what it does is, alam niyo yung mga fillers, yung ini-inject sa face para mag-plump yung skin, merong hyaluronic acid to. And what's good about this, it has vitamin C, 20%, ascorbic acid, which is the highest percentage na mailalagay nyo sa isang vitamin C. Okay, the fourth step is the pearl cream. I cannot live without this. This is one of my favorite. What's good about pearl cream, it will give you a brightening effect. Ang kagandahan din nito, it will give you a dewy luminosity glow. Pag naka-makeup, parang naka-primer. Ito yung sikreto. If I don't put pearl cream on my day regimen, walang glow yung face, parang may kulang. Ang nagpapaganda dito ay yung pearl cream. At what's good about pearl cream, it inhibits the melasma. Sa mga clients namin, sa mga friends natin na nanonood, na you have melasma on your face, this will prevent it from coming up to the surface. And it also removes the brown spots. The fifth step is the sunblock. What's good about this sunblock? It is a broad spectrum sunblock. It blocks UVA, UVB, siguradong na mapaprotect yun sa sunburn, and not only that, it's also water resistant. So pag pinawisan kayo o kaya nagsuswimming kayo, you will have protection with the sunblock. So it's SPF 50, it has lilac stem cell, it's matte finish. What's good about this, hindi siya amoy sunblock. And also, ang maganda dito is para ka naka-powder once you apply this. So make sure you have this on your regimen. And also, my last step is the Flawless Cream. Flawless Cream is, what's good about this, pag-apply mo, ipapump mo lang ng mga 4 pumps to 5 pumps, and you will apply it on your face para ka nang naka-makeup. What's good about that, nakaka-brighten din siya ng face. So, etong full regimen na to will give you the O Glow regimen. So, at night, what I do is I would wash my face with a cleanser. If you have makeup on, wash your face twice. Use your toner with the cotton pads. Same routine, apply it upwards, apply it on the neck, the excess, apply it at the back of your hand. And then next step, okay, ito yung sikreto, if you want to look good the following day, kunwari walang glow yung face ninyo, gusto nyo mo magka-glow agad yung face, you will apply Pearl Cream, makapal ang pag-apply, and then you will apply the Flawless Cream on your face, apply it like a mask. No product na ginamit ko over 14 years of my experience na ilalagay mo lang itong dalawa, instant result, the following day you will see good results. In just one night, you will see good results. So, yan ang aking regimen. I hope you like them.